ringside from New York, Max DeLuca. From Oklahoma, David Sutherland. And from New Jersey, Steve Weisfeld.
He is the fighting pride of Omaha, Nebraska. Reigning, defending, undefeated WBO lightweight champion of the world, Terence "Bud" Crawford. WBC, WBA, WBO super middleweight champion of the world, Saul CANELO Alvarez.
Fiesta, every single belt is on.
The battle between Saul "Canelo" Alvarez and Terence "Bud" Crawford is just hours away, and this is likely to be the fight of the year. Canelo's undisputed title in the super middleweight division is on the line. Analysts are divided in their opinions. Some favor Terence Crawford due to his boxing IQ, accuracy, and timing in the ring. Others favor Canelo because he's a natural super middleweight, familiar with the division.
Oh, well, he's caught him with a left hand and his back completely.
Compared to Crawford, who had to move up 2 weight classes to face Canelo. Both fighters made weight at 167.5 pounds during the weigh-in. Boxing fans are excited to witness what promises to be an action-packed, bloody, and exciting fight, scheduled to take place tomorrow at the Allegiant Stadium in Las Vegas, USA. What do you think? Can Terence Crawford pull off an upset and take the titles, or will he get battered by Canelo? Share your opinion and let's discuss it in the comments section. Before the fight begins tomorrow, let's take a look at the knockout highlights from their boxing careers.
A bit more weight on his punches. Crawford just not throwing enough punches. That's a bit better by Canelo, but Crawford taking a little bit of control of it. It hasn't happened. His flow. Oh, well, he's caught him with a left hand and he's back completely, and the referee waves this just as fighter of the year. And clearly this is a mismatch. Is there out of the corner? And that's the problem, right? When it seems like he's done, he lands a big shot. Oh, good body shot. You won't stand a little more of those, though. Crowd is in a frenzy. No shot, believe me. Oh, and a 1-2, and down goes Yildirim. You know, Sergio, we talked about how guys... With that type of defense right there, you block your peripheral vision. Stopped the fight.
Yeah, this is not bad, John. It's really good Crawford.
Wobbles him again. And in the second round with the right hook. And has continued in the southpaw stance as Terence Crawford. And it's that ability of Crawford. Barely buckled John Cena. One punch down and popped the head. John looking for a way out of the corner. Can't find it. Getting hammered by Crawford. Hard left hand. A right hook. Another left cross. If he's not careful.
Yeah, and he's getting...
Caught with a right hook. It would have been a fight of the year candidate. But it isn't the close fight. As Smith goes to the canvas a second time. This is why people are so anxious. There's knockdown number 3.
That's enough.
And I don't think he can get up from that.
Get up, no way. Good,
Referee Louise Cabon waves it on.
Because his punches landed. And that might be the only one that matters so far.
Exactly. That's what I was trying to tell you.
All that boxing studying through the first 5 has paid off big here in 6 for Terence Crawford. He's measuring and tattooing Delorme in the corner. Crawford just with surge. The way he's setting him up, the way Terence Crawford is setting Delorme up for these surgical strikes.
And he's smart. He's beating the head and the body muscles. He's not just head hunting. This is what you want to see in a good champion. Right uppercut continues to land. There's a perfect straight right hand, and Shirley's going to counter. Once again, cut it through that left hand, and then it was the left hand, he stuck it out like a jab, and then he countered it with the uppercut, which is why you don't stick late lagging punches. Oh, good
Good right hand. Right up the middle for Crawford.
Oh, good jab.
I would say for people to, good left hand from Crawford, but it's a nice thing to do. And
54-pound fighters,
is that he figures out how to exploit big ones, and he does.
Oh, good snap by Crawford. Oh. Yeah. As they stand at ringside, and now Joel.
At the end of these big shots, because Canelo will be happy to dispatch. That's right, put the shots together, get some work. Catch the 19. Straight right hand from Canelo to the body. Saunders took it on it. He breaks down opponent and makes him weary of the distance instead of countering back. Straight right hand. They have stopped the fight.
They're trading some really good body shots, too. Fight is really picking up tempo as they trade body shots, as Roy points out. And Crawford is trying to take the initiative and lands a straight right hand and a left hook that wobbled Sanabria momentarily.
As we saw, he
Good
said
body shots there.
he said he wouldn't be gunning for a knockout tonight, but could have fooled me. Looks like he's got.
Is 51 of 219. Respectable.
Oh boy, falls in there. Might be ready to go. And he's gone. Canelo knocks out.
Case with the old bull, young bull. Right here we see Canelo. Big right hand right there. That's what set up the big left hook afterwards. But he's been setting up that left hook the entire
Then
fight.
he's able to set up his combinations.
Oh, he scores a knockdown. Bob Crawford with a.
Can he survive this round?
Crawford another right hand. And Khan is wobbly again. Trying to stay up. End of one.
There's a lead right hand from Crawford. And he comes with another. There it is. Knockout in the fifth against former title challenger. Catch him in between his shots. Just like that. Did you see the transition right there where he stepped back? I think it's like that. He stops because of that. Play here. Right over the top. Right hand. Kind of faked him with the jab. Maybe in the first 5 rounds. Hard left hand by Crawford.
That.
Good shot. Hard counter shot by Terence Crawford. Down goes Gamboa. Tremendous right hand shot as Gamboa was coming in. In 20 years.
Yep.
He can switch and he's almost just as good right-handed, left-handed as he is right-handed. Here comes Gamboa again. And there goes the shot. Thunderous shots by both fighters.
Oh, down. Bringing him up from the floor and Gamboa coming forward.
Down goes Gamboa, and that'll do it. Fourth knockdown of the fight, and they knock out for Terence Crawford.
That was a great.
He seems like he's dead tired. Like that.
Good combination by Alvarez. That was a headshot. Down he goes to the body, and that should do it.
It's over.
That is.
He's got a, oh, that's a big shot. That hurt him. He may have him in trouble. That's 3 unanswered punches, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's all over.
Rhodes gets dropped. Referee stops it. He's throwing back, but without any velocity. Alvarez is teeing off, and Tony. Se le fueron las piernas a Pinzón. No hay piernas. Se lanza con todo el Canelo. Buen derechazo. Está lastimado Pinzón. Cae a la lona otra vez. Y ahora sí.
And he stunned Gonzalez. Gonzalez hurt for the first time in the fight, and there it is. It's
bien conectado para darle vuelta a la balanza y cambiar muchas veces hasta el resultado de ella. Cuando detienen la pelea.